All right, let's get started. So I have 5 mounted on here. I think they're 66 inches. Yeah, they're 66 inches, all of them. And then in half, they're 33. All right, so let's get started. Diagonal, half hitch, or half hitch. I'm not doubling it up like normally I would. There's 5 ropes on here. On the first one, you'll go around this middle one, the 4th one, like that. Okay. Then you'll continue on. Sorry for the squeaking. This thing is old and I've used it a lot. That. And then pulling from 1, 2, 3, 4, leaving this middle in the middle. We'll work with that later. 1, 2, 3. See, I need to scoot this forward. See it better. All right, 1, 2, 3. Now go in the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. This is cotton rope that I've unfurled. It was braided cotton rope, 1/4 of an inch. And I deconstruct it because it's cheaper that way instead of ordering the more expensive already unfurled. However, sometimes I don't do that because it takes forever to unbraid it, so wasting time. Not sure, maybe I should stop doing that because time is valuable, time is money, as they say. This kind of macrame puts me in really a meditative state, which is great. I don't really think about anything except, you know, doing the little knots. That's why I like to do the fiber arts, knitting, crochet. I do a lot of crochet. I'm not very fast at knitting yet. I mean, I know things aren't about speed, but unless I'm using chunky, it's just so tedious to me. But then sometimes sometimes it's therapeutic. I retract that statement. Redact that from the record, so to speak. Okay, we're getting down to the bottom, so let me mess with my camera. Continuing on, almost to the waistline. This goes very quickly, this process, obviously. The front takes forever, but the back is like bada bing, bada boom. You're done in like 10 minutes. If you can remember your pattern. It took me a moment to remember how I did this. I forget so many, that's why I've started writing them down and archiving them. I guess this is kind of an archive, this YouTube. But I have gotten better about writing things down because it's a lot of work to reproduce think about and look at my pictures to figure out how the heck did I do that? Or how the hell did I do that? It starts to twist a little, so I'm going to show you the trick that I get well, it's not even a trick. It's why I use this middle rope. It kind of tethers it to keep it from turning. All right, now we can go the other direction. This is maybe the last row of changing directions. Let me make sure that this is getting on camera. Okay, and then let's do one more going the opposite way to the waist. Remember, you push your finger through. There. Now, you're going to use this piece to weave into there to keep it from curling. So, go here. I think that's the direction. Okay, you go the opposite. Let me undo this. There we go. There. Having a hard time with this one. Here. All right, proceeding with the opposite direction. Now, gonna do threes in rows of 3. So here we go. Point through, pull through. Just watch how quickly I work it. This is not sped up. There we go. Next, point, over, under, through. Okay, not going that quickly. Shoot. Now, opposite direction. Boom. 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 Last one. Oh, this one's twisting so much. Fix that, moving closer up there. There we go. All right, I'm just gonna keep repeating this. I'm getting close to out of battery on my recording device, so I'm going the opposite direction now, and I'll show you how to lace it all in. I'll be back. All right, last rows. I'm back. And then one going the opposite way, like this one. Okay. Next. Okay. Next, you are going to weave in. So I did one last one, going the opposite way, just like over here. They basically mirror each other. Weave in this, so you remember you go over the top, pull through, over the top, and then, hold on, over the top and then this way. like a waterfall is the way I think of it. I don't think that makes sense, but it makes sense for me. Over the top. Now I made these kind of tight in here because I wanted to have structural integrity. And then through. And then through here. There. Got this one through. Over. And then down here. Over. Okay, so I think I did one more right in the middle of here. Yeah, through. And this probably could have been done as I go along, but for some reason my brain didn't allow me to do that. I got confused when I was trying to do it as I went along. Okay, then I gotta fix this, tighten this up. Okay, so here you go. That's what it looks like. Now, the important thing that you're gonna have to do is from the bodice from the front, it pulls and ties in the back. You need to tether these to this bottom. See? So all these have to go onto this. So let me tighten this up first of all. There's usually 2 of these, but the other one fell down, so I'll pull it up and show you. So this actually would be in the middle. And then, so what you're gonna do is pull up. So pull up on this string, pull under, over, and then pull that down and through. There's one done. I've shown you this in another video as well, the part 1. Then tether this one over, and then over again. One side done. See that? Now you can, just like in the one video, you can just pull it apart when you need to, push it over. It stays really structurally sound. See? You can scoot it back and forth. All right, I wanted to show you the slide feature now that I've got the camera in a good position. So, see how this is? So we'll tie these together because you're tightening, you're putting on your top, Macrame Beach top, festival top, one of the many that I make. We'll be releasing other patterns weekly or every 2 weeks. I want to do weekly, but I don't know. Child. Push it over. Push it over. Wear it like that. Or you can have it go like that. It's really up to you. These up at the top don't really move because this is the tethering line to keep it steady. The front, well, I already sold the other one, so didn't really feel like making a whole new one, but it's crisscrossed in the front. Comes around the back, this one rope, and ties in the front. So that's it, the back part 2. I hope you liked it. I hope I get a new maiden form or dress form when I see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.